Santa Maria, one of the many beaches in Las Bahias de Huatulco. The city is still part of Oaxaca, my mother's lovely hometown. Before leaving Puerto Angel, we ate a freshly caught fish cooked by our neighbors. Para la playa vamos! When your song comes on by Prince Royce and he steals your heart again. Do I even know the lyrics? The beaches of Huatulco are known for their ecological preservation. The majority of visitors are locals, and a very few are tourists due to the minimum airplane transportation. I'm over here trying to teach this guy how to be sexy. He killed it. You can attempt to snorkel, but there aren't many fish in the shallow. You can pay for a boat to take you to the deep end where all the fish live. The water is clear and has a tint of the color teal. We are surrounded by trees and wildlife. From what I saw, all the locals respect the beach and the creatures of the sea. They set the example of how tourists should treat the ecological preservations of Huatulco. Then we got on La Banana. It's a huge floaty in the shape and color of a banana. A boat will pull the banana floaty at a fast speed. And if all the passengers are in agreement, they get dumped in the middle of the ocean. Now we have to swim back to the shore and get some Mexican snacks before it gets too late. Thug door, look at her showing her legs and everything. In Mexico, we tend to eat a lot of fruit with chile, limon, y sal. So that's what I got.
We is in the water. We is in the water. And the wave is cut up. No. Look at that. Oh, mamacita. Oh. Yes. Baby, come back. You can blame it on me.
Hasta pronto, Huatulco. Until next time. Thanks for coming on the adventure with me. If you haven't already, subscribe and click on the bell to get notifications whenever there is a new video. See you on the next adventure.